Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you've watched my videos, it's basically the same thing. I'm using a 3mm Ditra. So just make sure your floor is vacuumed up and scrape any excess compound and make your cuts. Roll everything up and put it aside. And I'm using an Ultraflex 2 modified cement. And then I'm just going to wet my section of each Ditra that I lay down and use my Ultraflex with Ditra trowel. Usually it's about a 1/8 to a 1/4 inch Ditra trowel that you use. So just work your way, put some pressure on it, and just the next day come back and we'll use an Ultraflex 2 modified Mapai, and we'll start flashing it. Thank you. Come back and check out my install of the tiles in the main bathroom. Thank you and have a good day.